Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Session 1 initializations failed BSOD error in Windows 11 computer. So this error typically appears shortly after boot or during the boot of Windows, and it is typically preceded by a stop code that signals sessions initializations failure. This one is different from other more common blue screens triggered by drivers or RAM issues, and that it relates to Windows core components failing to initialize properly. And common reasons due to damaged system files, damaged boot records, improperly installed updates, or even problematic hardware, hard drive or SSD specifically. And then I'll show you some steps to fix these errors. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disconnect external devices. So all you have to do is to shut down first your PC. So all you have to do is to click on start menu, and then here, then click this button, and then you need to shut down and then unplug all external devices except for keyboard and mouse. And then turn your PC back on and check if it boots normally. If successful, plug in devices one by one to identify the culprit. Alright, so that's the simple solutions that we're going to do. And the next solutions that we're going to do is to check this for error. So all you have to do is to click again on start menu, and then here for search for apps, and then you need to type this CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click, and then you need to select this run as administrator and then click. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then next step, and then you need to type this command keyword ch key ds key space and then c and then a semicolon and then space slash and then f. All right, so just type this command keyword ch key ds key space c and then semicolon space slash f, and then you need to press enter this command and then wait to complete the process. And then the process it's already complete, and then you need to restart this in normal mode once it's finished. And then some note, use chkdsk space c and then semicolon space slash f, and then some note, use chkdsk space c semicolon space slash f space slash r and then space slash x command if you are using SSD as your primary partitions. Alright, so once you complete here, and then you need to restart again. Okay, so in the next solutions that we're going to do is to run the sfc and dsem command. So same here, you need to open this cmd or command prompt, and then you need to click as run as administrator, and then once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then you need to type this command keyword sfc space slash scan now. So slash scan now, that is one word, and then you need to press enter. So here you will need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. And this command sfc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker sfc tool, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. And then if the verifications is already complete into 100%, and then next command keyword that we need to type and enter. So just type this command keyword dsm space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health, and then use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this command, and then you need to paste and here Control plus B, and then you need also to press enter, and then you need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. And then once the verifications it's reached already to 100%, so all you have to do is to close this CMD, and then you need to restart this PC. So click this restart to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows Update error on your PC, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.